An industrial garage door serves as a vital component in various commercial and trade settings, providing a secure and efficient entrance and exit for large vehicles, equipment and personnel. Designed to withstand heavy-duty operations, industrial garage doors play a crucial role in enhancing productivity, optimising workflow and ensuring the safety of assets and personnel. Industrial garage doors are engineered with a focus on durability, security and ease of operation. They come in various styles, sizes and materials, allowing businesses to choose the one that best fits their specific needs and space requirements. Industrial garage doors are more than just entryways. They are essential assets that ensure the smooth functioning of businesses in various industries. So think of Shoalhaven Garage Doors for all your industrial needs.